I have been wondering why my headlight is not working even though I keep changing the bulb and still doesn't seem to fix the problem. So I decided to dig a little bit deeper and find out that one of my socket right here, it's burnt out. Now to fix this, you have to replace with a new one. So I went ahead and got a new kit, and as you can see, it comes with everything that you need, the connectors and the rubber. And let me put it on to see whether it's gonna work. And there we go, it worked. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and hit the red subscribe button. Stay tuned.